Notice the pattern here. None of these systems failed because they had too many users. They failed because growth exposed design decisions that didn't age well. Now, before we wrap up this episode, let's talk about a few traps that almost everyone falls into. They sound reasonable, they sound practical, and they quietly create scaling problems. The first one is we'll optimize it later, which usually means we are making assumptions we haven't tested. But later doesn't magically make codes easier to change. It usually makes it hard. And then there's this one. It's just an MVP. And in all fairness, you shouldn't over-engineer. That's true. You shouldn't over-engineer. But it being an MVP doesn't mean you should be careless. If your MVP add codes, assumptions, couples everything together, and ignores failure points, those decisions don't disappear, calcify. They harden. Here's another classic. We don't have many users yet. That statement is about traffic, not complexity. You can have few users and still build something fragile. And then when growth does come, those early shortcuts show up immediately. And finally, we fix this one with scale. This one is dangerous because you don't scale into growth. You scale from it. I repeat, you don't scale into good architecture, you scale from it. Good architecture isn't about predicting the future. It's about avoiding big decisions that make the future harder. It's about small, thoughtful choices early on that make scaling possible later.